For more detailed information, please click See More Product Details. Complete Trailer Security System Keyed Alike. Coupler Lock, Receiver Lock, Latch Lock, all keyed alike. One key opens all three locks. This lock set cannot be keyed alike with other locks, nor can two of these lock sets be keyed alike. The limited lifetime warranty provides peace of mind from a brand you can trust. This listing includes Universal Coupler Lock, Model 389DAT, Swivel Head Receiver Lock, 2866DAT, Adjustable Coupler Latch Lock, 2847DAT, and a total of 2 keys. All 3 locks are keyed alike, meaning the same key will open all locks. This lock set comes prepackaged keyed alike and cannot be matched or keyed with other locks, nor can 2 of these lock sets be keyed alike. Top reviews from the United States. Working great. Solid construction, trailer has not been stolen yet.